What's up, you guys? It's Sifu, Amin, Jani here with another video for you guys on Mentalist Training. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to change the titles so they say MT, and moving forward from now on I'm going to put MT and then what the description of the video is, or what the actual video is about, so you guys will know MT means Mentalist Training. Alright, with that being said, I also want to say thank you guys for supporting all the websites and me and this channel and everything. It's amazing that you guys are so awesome. I really do appreciate it, and thank you again. I'm surprised how many people got already the How to Unlock Your Psychic Powers PDF that I just made. Thank you guys. It really goes a long way, actually. Everyone's help is really appreciated. Also, no, that's it. But now let's get into the teaching, okay? So last time you guys learned how to visualize yourself and the environment around you. We're going to take that to the next step. We're going to learn how to use mental travel. Mental travel is a step before you get into doing astral projection and even good lucid dreaming regularly, okay? And other psychic feats too, in general, like knowing how to be here versus there and how to move your mind. So we're going to learn how to mental travel in the etheric plane, okay? That's what we're going to learn today. So the way you're going to do that is similar to the visualization technique you learned last time. What you want to do is you want to go around someplace like your house, or outside your house, or around your neighborhood, or any place you like a walk through the woods or whatever. Pick a certain location that you're going to just take a walk and stroll through, and your goal is to memorize your walk. All the little details you see, the trees, or the doorknob in the room, or the way the sky looked, or the way the floor looked, I mean the ground, even anything. Like, pay attention to the colors, the sound, the smell, the feeling when it hits you. Just be very observant, and not only observant, but try to imprint and try to really memorize it, so that when you go back home to your room or your private area when you're practicing, you're going to do similar to the visualization technique. You're going to put yourself through that walk again. You're going to re-walk, but in your mind. In your first person, everything you saw, you remember. Try to re-remember your whole entire walk. Okay? This might be kind of difficult at first, but again, with little practice, all these things get easier and easier over time. Okay? Usually people, if they do it daily and regularly, within like 2-3 months, they start seeing like, wow, like I can easily visualize so clearly. Okay? So it's a pretty short video, I think, today, because there's not much more to say than go take a walk, try to memorize it, and then when you go back home, try to replay in detail that whole walk. Okay? This is the mental muscles you want to build, and this is going to allow you to have control over your mind and your visualization much better, and let you travel in the etheric and astral plane, and even manipulate stuff energetically, because you'll be able to see and feel and visualize and make changes that have actually a powerful effect. Okay? So thank you guys for listening. Remember, if you like this video, to subscribe, share, like, comment, and check out all the websites and all the links I got below for you. Check out the PDFs. And yeah, thank you guys again, and have a great day. Hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow or sometime soon with another video, the next video for Mentalist Training. Alright guys, thank you, have a great day. Take care.